What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? In today's video, I'm gonna be going over just like a little analysis of for what I think is gonna happen Monday of next week, and just like this is gonna be a raw footage. I haven't looked over anything yet. I've been really pretty busy this past week, so that's why the YouTube videos have been kind of slow. But yeah, I just want to go over like a raw, unedited video with you guys on what I think is gonna happen in the markets next week. Uh, yeah, let's just get straight into it. This should be a quick video for you guys. All right, let's start off with gold here. Gold's still been in my zone. I want it to come down and tap my zone here at what was this? 1937, and 1937 is a huge buy zone for me. Buy, 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 buy. Um, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we've came down there quite a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we bounced all four of the times. Excuse me. We bounced all four of the times, but a few of the times we didn't quite make it down to the zone, and we just bounced up, like right here and right there. Well, we came down to the zone, but we bounced up really quick before that, so we would not have got an entry on that trade. But as you can see, once we come up or get close to the zone, we really seem to bounce off it and get these three nice candles. Sorry, I didn't see this one over here. They got that nice green candle right there, and you got another nice green candle right there, and another one right there. So yeah, for gold, I'm just looking for some longs down at 1937. I'm probably gonna go in heavy on that because that's a plus support zone for me. So yeah, let's move on to Tesla. Jeez, yeah, Tesla's been on a nonstop, just straight up uptrend for the past I don't even know how long, but God, Tesla's super overextended. 243. Yeah, it looks like today we had kind of like a choppier day to the downside. Um, Monday, I'm looking. We could come up and test. I'll go on the days, on the daily time frame. This is what I do for the daily time frame, guys. So an easy way that you guys can tell like if the trend's gonna be a bearish trend or a bullish trend is just mark the tops and the lows of the previous day's candle, and if we break out to either side, that's how you know the day's either gonna be bullish or bearish, right? And yeah, I mean that's probably what I'm gonna do with Tesla. I mean, there's this gap here all the way from 241 or 242 all the way down to 235. So that could be a gap play for all you gap players and people that like to play gaps out there. But yeah, let's move on to SPY. SPY, it's showing weakness too. It's super overextended. We rejected 430 nicely towards the end of the day there. We kind of broke it at like power hour, but then we came back down and rejected nicely. So yeah, SPY, I've had my same thesis with SPY. We're super overextended. I do not think we could hold up at these levels for super, super long. We definitely can hold up. By the way, we've been trading these last few weeks, but yeah, I mean, God, I don't see us going any higher than 430, 435 at all. Like at all. Like that's the highest I see it. So SPY's just kind of in a no touch zone for me. QQQ, kind of the same thing, no touch zone for me. Let's look at coin here. I like to trade coin sometimes. It's just kind of a fun stock to trade, especially if you catch big moves like that because of how the contracts move on coin. Coin is in a few daily bearish FVGs, so I'm looking for a pullback, and then we could come back up and looking for a little pullback down to my zone here at 52.30. Coin sitting at 53.28 right now. So yeah, 52.30 would be a nice pullback, and then we could go in for some calls, something like that. Pullback calls. Looks like start of an uptrend right there, as you can see. Yeah, it looks like we should be in the start of an uptrend right there. Yeah, God, yeah, that looks good. Let's look at Apple now. Apple, I don't really trade Apple a lot, but jeez, this is nuts. That's crazy. Yeah, so as you guys can see, we're kind of in this wedge right now, honestly. Like, we come up any further to the upside, 186 maybe. Again, I don't know. I don't think we'd see that high. But if we do 186, we could play the breakout or we could play the reversal. I'd rather play it and wait for the breakout to happen on the 174 side of things when we break these few bullish FVGs over here. And yeah, that's what I'm looking at for Apple. I mean, just the breakout and the trend. That's about it. NVIDIA, I haven't been touching NVIDIA at all. I don't really play NVIDIA because of how it's been moving this last whole year. It's been trading. It's just been trading like very bullish and like without the market. Even if the market's like down 2%, NVIDIA will be up 1%. It's just weird how that works. But yeah, so NVIDIA is kind of off my list. Meta's kind of been bouncing off that daily FEG and hour one FEG, that 1 hour FEG, excuse me. God, I don't know. I don't like anything on the Meta right now. As you can see, we don't have any confirmations of upside or downside. We've just had these few short candles close right there. And yeah, I mean, let's check out Netflix here before we get off this. Yeah, Netflix looks pretty bearish. As you can see on the 4 hour, we had a nice run up, a trend for what was that, like 3 days? We had a trend run up, and now we're starting to see exhaustion. And I'm looking for Monday. We could have a pullback down to this what is that, 4 hour FEG, and then bounce. I don't think it would bounce because of the way these wicks are looking and the way that candle's looking, but I think we could have a nice fallback on Netflix down to 413 again on Monday if the market happens to be bearish. Don't take my word on it. I just think we could have a pullback. All right. Yeah. So that's kind of what I've been looking at. This I just literally did in front of you guys. I don't really see any A+ setups besides, what was it? Yeah. Fuck. What was it? Apple. And yeah, I mean, Apple just play a breakout. Tesla just breaks out the higher side or the lower side. That's about it. And SPY, no touch zone, as I've been saying. No, like, I don't want to touch SPY right now. Meta and NVIDIA, I'm not really looking to play anything. But yeah, Netflix is always a fun stock to trade if you guys are into trading like stocks like Netflix or anything like that with the quicker contracts and the more expensive contract prices. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I mean, that's all I have. Yeah, I did it right in front of you guys. That's what I do. I mean, I obviously go more in depth on my own and stuff, but shoot, I mean, it's currently 4:48 a.m., so it's a little late here. So I've been just kind of looking at this and figured I'd share it with you guys. Yeah, well, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good night, guys.